Have you ever wanted to start a YouTube channel or edit a video and it's so annoying and tedious that you end up not posting the video because it's so much work and you hate editing? Well, today I bring the goods. I have found this tool that is amazing, easy, and very affordable. There's also a free plan that you can use to edit your podcasts, your videos, and get the transcripts, get audio from your videos. And now there's new features. The tool is called Descript. Descript is a great way to edit your videos by just editing the document. It will clip it for you. You don't have to be going and clipping and doing all this stuff. So I'm going to show you a basic tutorial on it. And then my next video, I'm going to show you the storyboard, which is the new features of Descript. They're always updating. And if you want to get Descript, make sure that you grab the link in the description below. And if you're new to my channel, this is the Irresistible Marketing Lab, where I create videos on the tools that I use to create irresistible virtual events. I also talk about virtual events and anything that has to do with events and technology. Hi, and welcome to the Irresistible Marketing Lab YouTube channel. My name is Andrea, and I will be your host. In this channel, you will learn how to create momentum in your business by designing virtual events with automated communication. You will also find tutorials on digital marketing strategies and my favorite tools so that you can make a bigger impact in this world. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to edit a new project. This is a new video that I created for my 6-week email training where you can get for free. If you want to host a virtual event and you want to make it irresistible, you can go to irresistiblemarketinglab.com. It's going to be in the description below. You can grab the checklist and you're going to get 6 videos that support the checklist and will help you through the process of planning your own virtual event. Okay, let me share my screen. Now that you're looking at it, I have Descript here open. And as you see, it has dark mode as well. So it's good for our eyes. Now, this is a brand new account for Descript. And how do you edit? How do you start your projects? Well, very easy. We click on new project. This is a new version of it. So don't choose a new classic project, just use new project. We click here. We add a title to this. So that's not the title. It's okay. Now I'm going to choose a file to transcribe. And I have it right here. I'm going to click on open. And you have 4 hours for free of the transcription. So it says your transcription will be ready in a few minutes. We choose the language, speaker name. We change it right here. We add it, and then we click on done. Now we wait. It's preparing right now. And of course, I'm going to be editing this in Descript. Okay, that took like 2 minutes to do more than 22 minutes of video and get transcribed. This is one of the best transcription services that I've ever used for video and audio, honestly, hands down. So you're going to see that we have a document here, right? Now, and we have the video right here, the words, and then we have the video here. So we click here, play. Hi. And welcome to the 6th video training for my checklist, Make Your Virtual Events Irresistible. So I am going to go through the whole video here. But if you see, there's like ums and ahs and all that stuff. So I can delete that in a few seconds, and I'm going to show you how. In order to remove all the filler words, what I have to do is if I click on it, I can do an overdub. I can correct it. I can click on these 3 buttons, right? And I could do all of these things. Now, to remove all the filler words, I go to edit, remove filler words, and it's gonna say 40 more filler words were fun. I have to upgrade to Pro if I want more to remove the or like or the others. But it says that for free, it says 82 results and 1 composition. Okay, so I can just click here. It says and see, select all of these. And I can click here to apply to all, and let's do some magic. They're disappearing from the document and they're being clipped out of the video as well. So now the video is 21 minutes and 59 seconds. And we're going to wait here for it to complete. 89, 90, super fast. It's super fast as well. And it's been completed. Now, if you want to remove more filler words that are not and on, you can upgrade to Pro, and you just click here on upgrade to Pro, and it's only $30 per month. It's super affordable, like super affordable. Or you can upgrade to Creator, which is $15 a month, even more affordable. And actually that will give you so many other features, like you can transcript for 10 hours. It could be annual. So the link is below if you want to get this tool. So now that I removed all the filler words, right? I'm going to edit all this, and let me show you. Let me just show you one option. Let's say make a, so for example, here it ended the sentence, but I don't want that sentence to end. So I'm going to remove the period, and it removed the capital letter by itself. See, it's like super, super good. I really like it. It's so easy. It says being used. So I want to remove this word because I said doing, and I don't want to say doing. So I'm just going to highlight the word, and I'm going to click delete. And you see at the bottom how it removed it. So I'm going to show you how it clipped that word out. So I want to remove they all as well, because it doesn't make sense. And highlight and click. And then I'm going to finish the sentence there. Now, how do I actually clip here? This space. So let's say I don't want to have all this second here, right? Well, it's just normal like any other software. So we click here on the audio, we right click, we split the clip, then we click here, we split the clip, we delete. So you see, it's very easy. So to correct a word, we have to click on correct. We cannot just start typing and then we correct it. I can remove the word so as well. See, and it clips at the bottom. So it skipped the word secret here. It says the, right? And there's no secret there. So we add secret and then correct. No secret. And then there's a lot of space here. So I come here, split the clip, and I remove most of the space, not all of it. So it doesn't feel like so choppy. Of course, it's not going to catch the word in Spanish. So I'm going to correct it here in Universidad de Palermo. Correct. In Universidad de Palermo back. Okay, so it skipped the word de, right? So we're going to add it. Now, that's how you edit the video, right? And how do you export it? Now, if I export this video and I publish it like this, what's going to happen is I'm going to have a watermark here at the bottom that's going to say Descript, okay? Now, we click here on the right corner where it says publish, right? And here are the ways that I can publish it. I can click on the web link. I can send it directly to YouTube. I can send it directly to all of the spaces. The ones that are in gray, you need to upgrade the account. Or see where it says watermark applied, okay? But I had to pay. But for free, I have one watermark removed. I can publish it. Or I can export it to my computer. So if I want to export just the video, I click here on the video. If I just want to export the audio, I click on audio. If I just want the transcript, I hit the transcript. If I want subtitles, I click on subtitles. Now look at the subtitles options. Video, text, and tiles. It could be a BTT or it could be sub-rip titles, SRT. You can show the speakers. You can have max characters per line. 54 is the recommended. That's why they have it like that. You can do more. I could do 70 if I want or more. You can have max lines per card. So that means that every time, like max cards, 1 line or 2 lines or 3 lines. I like to have just 1 line. So just leave it 1 line. And I can click on export. Super cool, right? So I don't have to like edit the whole, like, I can like get all the parts. I could get the transcript, I could get the video, I could get the audio, and I could get the subtitles. Now, the transcript is not a good format for subtitles. What I like about getting the subtitles by themselves is that they give me per the second. So when I upload them to YouTube, they're exactly the same. So I really like that. Okay. So that's how you use Descript. Very simple to do very simple editing, which is words and clipping. Now, if you want to add more things to the videos, I'm going to share with you on another tutorial. So check out that tutorial. So if you want to do more things inside of the video, that's just simple editing. Just make sure that you follow me and bell, because the next video, I'm going to show you how you can edit and use GIFs and add other text on the screen and like do more video editing and use the storyboard and all that. So I hope that you like this video. I'm going to be posting more videos about tools and tutorials for tools so you can use in your business, whatever you're doing in your business, but this also can be applied to virtual events. So I will see you in the next one. My name is Andrea. God bless you, and make sure that you get a Descript account because it's the easiest video and audio editor out there. If you're a podcaster, if you're a YouTuber, if you are creating videos even for TikTok or Instagram Reels. So I hope to see you around, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.